Hello and welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Conditionals and Control Flow section, If Statement. Let's get familiar with how relational equality and Boolean operators can be used to control the flow of our code. We'll start by exploring the if statement. In Java, the keyword if is the first part of a conditional expression. It is followed by a Boolean expression and then a block of code. If the Boolean expression evaluates to true, the block of code that follows will be run. Here's an example of the if statement used with a conditional expression. If 9 is greater than 2, run this code, which will print out control flow rocks. In the example above, 9 greater than 2 is the Boolean expression that gets checked. Since the Boolean expression 9 is greater than 2 is true, control flow rocks will be printed to the console. The if statement is not followed by a semicolon. Instead, it uses curly braces to surround the code block that gets run when the Boolean expression is true. Instructions: the if statement in the code editor is missing its Boolean expression. Provide the if statement with a Boolean expression that evaluates to true. So here we have our if statement. They want us to put a Boolean expression that evaluates to true. So if that's a Boolean expression that evaluates to true, if true, print access granted. So by making this a true statement, we could also do something such as 3 greater than 1. This will also evaluate to true. So as long as whatever is within the parentheses is true, then it will print out what's in between the curly braces. If it's false, it will never run the code. But since this is true, it will print access granted. Let us run this. It did print access granted. We did pass. So the important thing to take from this, it's all starting to click now, is that we can use Boolean expressions, and if that expression is true, we could run a line of code. So that was if statements on Learn Java on Codecademy. See you guys on the next one.